All right, I'm out here with Esther at Splish Splash Pools. We're demoing a pool out here. We got Marty on the tractor. We got a concrete pool that we're taking out and we're putting in a new one.
Yeah, we're modernizing this pool, making it ultra modern with snow white porcelain and Bianco white marble. It's going to be beautiful.
Get ready.
I know I'm in your head. I know I'm in your head. But she's laying